Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Thank you for watching. And before I start, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers and all my old subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it and I love you guys. All right, in today's video, I want to talk about how to manifest with journals, and what we're gonna manifest today is a car. Okay guys, all right, before I get started, don't forget, if you new, hit the subscribe button. If you into manifesting with journals or want to be interested in getting manifesting tips or other cool stuff, you are at the right channel. We custom made personalized shirts. I do one-on-one coaching, and I also have a printable beautiful journal, my abundance journal, y'all guys can download and start manifesting your abundance right now. All right, let's get started. Now we're gonna manifest a car using a journal. Okay, this is just a basic journal I got at the Burlington Coat Factory. It's very basic. It don't have any special affirmation or anything. It's just, see. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get first page. We're gonna put the date, which is the 12th. We're gonna put today's Sunday, and we're gonna put an affirmation that we want. For me, for example, I like to put all day blessings. Okay, so if we're gonna manifest a car, what we would put, we would start with, my number one thing is gratitude, guys. It puts you in the frequency of already having. That's why we use it. Gratitude is like, it's already here, I'm grateful for it. So what you would write, you can put thank you for whatever car you want, or you can say I'm very grateful for my car, whatever car you want. Or you can say I give thanks for having this car, or I'm so grateful and happy, or I'm so grateful and excited that I have this awesome car. So you get the idea. You write it down 10 times, the same affirmation. You write it down 10 times, and it's up to you, but it has worked for me. I would repeat it. I would read all of it 10 times again, 3 times. Okay, I would speak it out loud 3 times. Okay, so I would do this for 28 days, and that's it. That's all you have to do. But like I said, go really say the car the best way you can. You can, with journaling, with the journals, because scripting is different. Scripting, you have to go more into description and details, but with just regular journaling, you can just say your gratitude and say, hey, for example, I want a 2020 model Nissan Maxima. Okay, so I would say thank you for this awesome Nissan Maxima that I have, 2020 model that I have right now. I'm so grateful for it. I would put that down. That would work. Okay, you would write that, like I said, 10 times and repeat it 3 times, and you would do it for 28 days. And that's it. That's how you journal to manifest. For example, we were using a car. And if y'all guys really like this video, I would do more on this and how to manifest different items with a journal. Give it a thumb up so I know to continue doing this type of video with journaling. Okay guys, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video if you want me to do more videos on manifesting with journals. Thank you again. Bye.